And this is zero editing, just straight out of camera. What's up guys, this is Ed Gregory from photosincolor.com, and today I'm going to show you how I made this photo in camera. That means no Photoshop, no Lightroom, no composite at all. This is a single frame that I took to create this image. So we're pretty much set up now. The only thing to add now is the lens, the cap to the body of my camera. Perfect. So I'm just placing it in the water. It actually sinks low enough so that the water is just going around the outside. I really hope that's not going to seep through, because if it is, I've just put my lens in water and it's going to sit in water for about 20 minutes. Oh well, all for the art, right? 250th of a second, because that's the flash sync speed. F10 and ISO 50 is the equivalent in Nikon, because it's low 2, essentially. Okay, so I'm going to show you how each one of these flashes work independently of each other. Now, I shoot with Electron. I've got 4 mono lights. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn my flashes off. I'm not going to change a camera setting at all during this, and I'm going to show you a few things. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a photograph, okay? I just took a photograph, and what's going to happen, even though we've got these other lights on, what we actually have is a completely black screen. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring on just this top light at the back here. And now when I take a photograph, what we're going to see is just this blue wash. Now the next light that we have, I'm just going to change the group, and I'm only going to photograph the light which is at the bottom down there. It's at the same power as this, it's at 3 actually. So it's a little bit stronger than this one, and we have a orange gel over it. And if we take that photograph, you're going to see that we're just going to get this beautiful orange wash that goes up the back wall. But you'll see that the lens is completely in silhouette. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, and this one is really surprising, I think, is I'm going to take a photograph using only one of the side lights here to light the lens. So what that did is it only used the light which is behind here, the one of the ELCs, and you'll see here it's just lighting the side of the lens only. And then we'll just go to the other one just to show what happens. We'll take another photograph, and this time it's going to add that other side there. Now what I could obviously do is build all these up in layers, but instead I like to get it perfect. We're going to take a quick break in this video. Please head over to Instagram and follow Photos in Color. You can see the photograph today and lots of other content in the future. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn all of these on. So I'm going to turn all my flashes on. They're going to go at exactly the same time. Sync speed of 250, F10 I believe I'm on. Yep. And now when I take this photograph, exactly what I showed you for each one of those kind of layered lights that I built up, they're all going to come in at the same time, and it's going to give you the shot that you're going to get on your screen right now. We're going to create some water movement like so, without the bubbles hopefully. It's looking absolutely freaking absolutely beautiful. And what we have achieved here in just one single take is this beautiful lens which is sitting on my lake. And that there is how we do a product shot without needing loads of Photoshop, loads of layers, loads of different things. We get every single thing right in camera. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, because I've got loads more content coming like this in the future. If you liked this video, then please give me a thumbs up and definitely leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. This was Ed Gregory from photosincolor.com.